Improving your study habits can greatly enhance your learning outcomes. Here are 5 easy steps to study more effectively. Create a study schedule. Planning your study time can make a big difference in your productivity. Set aside specific times each day for studying and stick to this schedule. This helps to make studying a regular part of your daily routine. Find a suitable environment. Everyone has different preferences when it comes to a study environment. Some people need complete silence, while others work better with a bit of background noise. Find a place where you can focus and that suits your study style. Make sure your study area is clean, comfortable, and free from distractions. Use active learning techniques. Instead of just passively reading or highlighting text, engage with the material. This could be by taking notes in your own words, teaching the material to someone else, or using flashcards to test your memory. Active learning helps to reinforce your understanding and recall of information. Take regular breaks. Studying for long periods without breaks can lead to mental fatigue, making it harder to absorb information. Use a technique like the Pomodoro technique, where you study for a set period, for example, 25 minutes, then take a short break, for example, 5 minutes. Every few cycles, take a longer break to rest and recharge. Review and revise regularly. Don't wait until the day before an exam to review your notes. Regular review and revision can help to reinforce your memory and understanding of the material. After learning something new, try to review it within 24 hours to help consolidate it in your memory. Lastly, take care of your physical health. Eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and ensuring you get enough sleep can all help improve your cognitive function and study performance. If you are struggling with a particular subject or topic, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, tutors, or classmates. Everyone learns at a different pace and in different ways, so find a method that works best for you and stick to it.